Green stormwater infrastructure are engineered features in the landscape that help us manage stormwater. The stormwater is generated when it rains on hard surfaces. We have vegetation, we have these features above ground that are feeding those plants, providing pollinator habitat, multiple different services.
There's interactions with soil particles, and there's interaction with plants growing in the soil, and that removes nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, metals. It removes sediment traveling in the soil, and it can remove, pathogens in the water.
The de-icing road salts that are generally applied during the winter that are coming into those basins, they are actually leaching out some of the metals and impacting the water quality. One day, maybe cities can have more nature-based solutions and habitats would be happier.
Environmental or ecological engineering is about leveraging the power of the environment, of nature, to help us provide solutions.